Hello, Hazel. How's my darling daughter today? I am so glad that you are now embarking on a new venture, and I'm sure that you will achieve your goals for you and your family, especially for your baby, for your husband, and our family as a whole. We will support you all the way because we know you're an achiever. And we pray hard that you will never have any difficulty at all. We also pray hard for your success in every way, in everything that you do in life. So there, we will always support you. We promise you that. So please, enjoy your new work and always bear in mind that you have us to support you in every way.
Okay na pa?
Uh,
Okay.